Oh, we gotta do it all?
Yeah.
Center car. I actually have it in my other car.
Okay, go ahead and turn the car off. Do you have your registration in the vehicle?
Yeah. Can I ask what I did?
Well, someone thought you might have been over on Bayou Drive back there shooting at alligators or something. You don't have any guns on you, do you?
No. No, it's the car.
That's what they thought.
Yeah, that's what it is.
They thought it was probably going to be the car.
Yep, that's exactly what it is. We're shooting some videos for online. No, definitely not me. I work for I'm a state CO at Sumner County. Oh. This is actually the new one. Actually, I haven't put it on yet.
Okay.
I never drive this car.
Alright, you don't have any weapons on you?
No, nothing.
You mind popping your trunk so we can make sure? Because they thought you might have been shooting an alligator. You want to check the trunk?
No, definitely not me. I told you, I work for state corrections. I don't have my badge on me, but I'm a state CO.
Or is it somebody else?
No, that's me.
That's you?
Yes, sir. Here, you want to look under it? This all opens up. I don't have anything in here. Like I just told him, I'm a state CO at state prison.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have anything in there at all. It's the car.
See the second one in? You want to go check Bayou?
Okay.
What's your date of birth? Of 89?
Can't slam it. Yeah, 89.
Alright.
Got a heavy trunk there, buddy.
No, it's it's really light. It's a carbon fiber, but it drops down because there's magnets to hold it up instead of like springs.
What's all that for?
We're shooting a video for online. That's what we're doing. We're doing car videos.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a point of view video, so you can see when you're driving and stuff.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you tag up, baby?
No, I just gave him the thing. I don't drive this car. I have two cars, and the other one is my daily. This one's my show car, and I just haven't put it on yet. I just went and got that. Thank you. I actually got to put this on when I get home. I completely forgot to put it on. Yeah, it's a race car. It's built for racing and stuff like that, so it's pretty loud. That's what they probably thought it was.
Yeah, they heard it a few times.
I can show you. If I rev it up, it shoots flames and it sounds like gunfire, is what it does.
I don't think Bayport would appreciate that.
Huh?
They probably would appreciate that.
No, probably not.
How many times you bottomed this car out?
Quite a few times. It does it quite often. Like I said, it's not even my daily car. That's why I didn't have the registration on it yet. This is my show car. It sits in the garage all day. Thanks. But no, I would never be shooting at alligators or anything like that. Yeah, exactly. A pickup truck or something like that. Yeah, I could understand that. That's why I was like, whoa, why are they pulling over here? Maybe we were going slow everywhere. We were just shooting videos for online for my sponsorships and all that stuff for my car.
We're good. Where are you heading after this?
We're just going back down here. We're shooting a few more videos. My friend with that yellow Hummer's following me, and we're shooting videos.
All right.
It's just nice scenery out here to drive around and shoot videos and stuff.
Where's your license out of?
Where's my license out of? Florida.
Out of Florida.
Really? I live in Spring Hill.
Yeah,
I can give you my address, whatever you need.
registration back again?
Yeah. Oh. Like I said, I'm a state CO at Sumter County, which is right over there. I live right They might have did my dad's birthday. My dad's Robert Hopkins too.
I gave him, but the reception out here is a little so-so on the radio. They probably didn't hear it right.
Oh, okay. I just renewed my license too. Like I said, I left in my other car. My whole wallet's in the other car. I didn't even bring it with me. I didn't know your guys' spray was so small.
Yeah.
Because like mine at the prison, it's a decent sized can. And then we have the big MK9 cans.
That's because that's all you had.
Yeah, exactly. That and handcuffs.
Yeah, honestly, it's probably been 10 years since I've even used the spray.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah, that's Dad. Who's the red cylinder on that car?
On the plate, it's my mom and my dad, which is. They've never had a problem with it before, but that's because I always give my license. I always have it on me.
Yeah. Alright, same name, 511 of 89 at the date.
Make sure it's Robert A. Hopkins. I'm A. Hopkins. My dad's C. My dad's Robert C.
That's the problem.
Yeah, I'm Robert A. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're different middle names. Dang, you guys sent the whole squadron. Oh, that's her again. You found it? Yeah, that's me.
Just like him, dog.
That's me.
Class C.
No gators over there?
No, no gators.
It's been fun.
Alright, thank you. Now I gotta find where my friend just disappeared to. Oh. Thought I was shooting at gators. That's a new one. That's when you know you're in Florida in Redneckville. What is Mike doing? Where did Mikey Mike go? Let's go find this dude. He got scared. He must be doing something dirty. Riding dirty. I was wondering where the hell you went. I was like, what the hell?
I didn't think.
Dude, don't worry. I got it all on video, bro. Every single cop talking to, I left it on. I didn't even take it off. Dude, this is going to be awesome, dude. This is going viral, bro. Dude, it's going viral. Dude, they thought we were hunting alligators, bro. Somebody said they heard gunshots. Anti-lag.
Oh, damn, it's a good thing I didn't stick around.
Yeah.
Carry a firearm.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yep. They searched my car and all that funness. Dude, I got video of it. I went to the back, opened everything up for them. I got the cop slamming my trunk because he didn't know that it'd slam.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's beautiful.
So did you do the POV then too?
No, I haven't done it yet. I just got in and just was looking for you, and I tried calling you. You didn't answer. So when you tried calling me, I was outside talking to the cops still.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and do the point of view then.
All right.
There's no more loud exhaust.
Dude, this is awesome, dude. That is gonna go viral, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, I looked at the cops as they were leaving, like they were pulling out. I was like, dude, this is what you get when you live in Redneck County. You think you're freaking hunting alligators. POV. I'm passing him. This is what you get when you have a dumped car. Oh. I think my boost gauge started working. Damn boost gauge. Yeah, as you can see, I melted my boost gauge, so now it's not working very good. Alright, we gotta stop wasting gas. We gotta turn around.